Impressive 700 HP brute force. Watching this 110,000 pounds excavator pair with the FH16 shows true mechanical synergy. A great look at how quality iron and hard work get the job done right. Handling a 40,000 pounds rig requires total focus. This video reminds us that patience and discipline outweigh speed. Safety is the top duty for every citizen on the road.
Whoa! Oh, oh, oh.
Winter doesn't care how big your truck is, respect the road, or it will teach you the hard way. Slow down, stay alert, and make it home safe. If this video opened your eyes, hit like, subscribe, and stay smart out there.